Hello my friends, today we are going to explore the fascinating process of glass bottle manufacturing. Let's dive into the detailed steps that transform raw materials into the glass bottles we use every day. The journey begins with the raw materials: silica sand, soda ash, and limestone. These ingredients are carefully measured and mixed together to create the perfect blend for glass production. The mixture is then transported to the furnace. Inside the furnace, the mixture is heated to around 1700 degrees Celsius. This intense heat melts the materials into molten glass. The furnace operates continuously, ensuring a constant flow of molten glass for production. This furnace must work all the time to ensure a stable temperature and reduce energy waste. In recent years, countries like the United States and China have been major producers of glass bottles, contributing significantly to the global supply. These countries utilize advanced technology and efficient production methods to meet the high demand for glass bottles. The molten glass is then directed through a forehearth, which cools it slightly and prepares it for the next step. At this point, the glass is pliable and ready to be formed. The forehearth allows for precise control of the glass temperature, ensuring optimal forming conditions. The glass is cut into gobs, which are small, molten chunks of glass. These gobs are dropped into molds where they are blown into shape using compressed air. The initial forming takes place in a blank mold, creating the preliminary shape known as a parison. Advanced machines ensure precision in every bottle shape and size. The parison is then transferred to a final mold where it undergoes a finishing blow. This step refines the shape and size of the bottle, creating the final product. Once the bottles are formed, they are slowly cooled in an annealing oven. This process, known as annealing, relieves internal stresses and ensures the bottles are strong and durable. The annealing oven gradually reduces the temperature of the bottles over several hours. Next, the bottles go through a series of inspections. Advanced machines check for any defects, such as cracks or bubbles, to ensure each bottle meets quality standards. Automated inspection systems use cameras and sensors to detect imperfections with high accuracy. After passing the inspection, the bottles are washed and sterilized. This step removes any impurities and prepares them for use in packaging beverages, food products, and other goods. The washing process involves multiple stages, including rinsing, detergent application, and sterilization. The final step in the process is packaging. The bottles are carefully packed into boxes or trays and are ready to be shipped to manufacturers, where they will be filled and sealed. Packaging machines handle the bottles gently to avoid damage during transportation. In 2022, the global production of glass bottles reached new heights, with millions of bottles produced each day to meet the growing demand. The versatility and recyclability of glass make it a popular choice for packaging various products. And that's the entire process of glass bottle manufacturing. From raw materials to finished product, each step is crucial in ensuring the quality and integrity of the bottles we rely on every day. How do you feel about the process of making glass bottles in this video? Let us know what you think in the comments section of the video. Thank you for watching.